your ego is not going to like this. The perfect sleep schedule is not waking up at 4 a.m., 5 a.m. to grind the whole morning. The best sleep schedule is a sleep schedule you could maintain. And the best possible case scenario is you make a sleep schedule right now, you maintain that for the rest of your life. Because consistency is the most important part in sleep. Because then your biological clock, your body knows when you will sleep, and you will fall asleep quicker, and you will have better sleep, deeper sleep, and all these other benefits. So for the best sleep schedule, have a consistent sleep schedule that you can maintain. So you can't maintain a sleep schedule where you wake up at 4 a.m. every day because you really want to do it, because it's productive. It actually says, actually waking up that early is not productive because you need sleep to be productive. Maybe you go to bed really early and you can maintain that for the rest of your life, but it's a very small portion of the population, and you probably aren't one of them. So now I am not saying you should wake up really late, because I do think like waking up relatively early is good, because when you get like your 8 to 10 hours of sleep, and that sleep is more towards the ending of the evening than in the night. Like when you go to bed at 8 p.m. and you wake up at 7 a.m. It's like better than going to bed at 12 p.m. and wake 12 a.m. and going to bed at and wake up at 8, 9 or something, because you are more productive in the morning than in the evening. Like the hours from 10 a.m. till 10 p.m. till 12 are probably more spent less productive than the hours from 7 a.m. till 9 a.m. Okay. So then you need to figure out how long you will set aside to be in bed. This is a tricky one, because when you go to bed at 10 p.m. you want to get 8 hours of sleep. How long, when do you need to wake up? Most people will now say, 10 p.m, 8 hours after that is 6 a.m. So I need to wake up at 6 a.m. That's wrong, because hours spent in bed is not hours spent asleep. And because most people have like 80% or something sleep efficiency rate, you will need time to fall asleep and need time to and that you will wake up in the nights very much more than you might think if you actually go and track it, because you won't remember the times you wake up in the night, and that sort of stuff will all determine how long you will actually sleep. So try to set aside 9 to 10 hours in bed to get 8 hours sleep. So try to aim for that, and then make a schedule you can maintain for the rest of your life. And maybe you have school or work, so with a set time you need to go to bed. You have a set time you need to wake up. So then you will then work the back and figure out when you need to go to bed. For example, I need to go to school, so I wake up at 7:30 a.m. and I go to bed at 9:30 p.m. And that is my sleep schedule. So I had a proper amount of time spent to being in bed, because I really value my sleep and think you should do, because it has so much benefits. Most people are chronically sleep deprived, but they don't even know it because it's their natural state right now. That's I could go on a whole rant about that, but that's not important for this video. So the best sleep schedule is one that you can maintain, and when 9 to 10 hours in bed. I hope you learned something in this video. Post